Welcome everyone to our next SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to assign accounting principal to valuation area. Use transaction code SIMG, then press enter. Go to financial accounting here, then general ledger accounting, then periodic processing. Click on Valuate here, and here click on assign valuation areas to accounting principal. Click on new entries here. Select your valuation area and assign the accounting principal here. Click on save, continue. Now you can see your valuation area has been assigned to accounting principal. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.